What's going on, Twin Toy Army? Today's episode is going to be a little different. We're going to be doing a little game called Pick a Color, and we're doing a Nerf War. Did I have my coffee this morning? Nerf. I did not have my donut. Sugar. I had no donut this morning. I need to have my donut. But anyway, we're doing a Nerf War video, picking a favorite color. We're going to spin the wheel. I need to have my donut. But anyway, we're doing a Nerf War video, picking a favorite color. We're going to spin the wheel. This awesome, fun spinning wheel, colorful spinning wheel. And then I'll determine which color each of the contestants are going to have throughout the Nerf War. And what we're going to do is every round, it's going to be switched. The first round they get to choose. Second round, the opponent is going to choose for them. And then the last round, the rest are going to choose. So me and Jish, we're going to make sure that they all just have pistols. It'll be a fun pistol shootout. Yeah, we got to make it interesting. Maybe bazookas. Everyone has to just shoot some rocket launchers.
Yeah.
You know, that'd be kind of fun. But anyway, so let's go down the line, and they're going to introduce themselves. Who's going to be competing in this?
Hello, I will be the victor of today. I just want to make that clear.
Oh man, it's already established. Oh man.
Fighting words. So.
It is one guy versus two girls. Oh, that's right. Yeah, if you guys haven't figured it out, it's going to be the two ladies versus the nice gentleman over here.
Follow me on Instagram at Benjamin Richardson with an I, not an E.
All right, so who's next? Raising the roof. Raising the
Scrappy coming in at you right here, and I don't know what that guy's talking about over there, but he's going down. And this is my good friend Lauren, as you all know from the Twin Toy videos, or as you know her as Aunt Lauren, and she's going to be in the game today. Everybody give her a round of applause. Yeah. Woo.
That seems exciting.
Okay, so we need to figure out a nickname.
Tippy toe.
Auntie. We're just going to call her Auntie.
There you go, Auntie Lauren.
We're trying to figure out her nickname that all you guys can call her during the battle.
I don't have a nickname.
She doesn't have a nickname.
So we'll go with Auntie for today, but if you have a good idea, drop it down below.
Yeah.
And Auntie and Scrappy over here will be checking it out. So come up with a good name for her.
And where can we follow you on Instagram?
On Instagram, I am Lauren Alissie, which is LAURENELISSIE.
Oh
I know that's confusing, so
That's a long
Lauren
one,
Alissie.
too.
Okay, so ready to go.
Yeah. Woo!
Okay, everybody knows. Put in the comments below, who are you rooting for? Are we rooting for Slim Jim or are we rooting for...
Mommy, aka Scrappy.
It's now time to spin the wheel, and as the ref, I'm going to decide what order we're going to spin it in, and my gut's telling me shortest to tallest.
Yeah.
So let's put Scrappy up first. All right,
Scrappy. Okay, what do I do?
you spin the wheel.
Okay, is that it?
Spin it.
Ooh, red.
So-
Oh, red is happy. Red is love. Red is love and happy.
Red is
Red is not.
speaking.
Red is not bad. Love is red. I love, because
Okay.
I love everybody.
That also means that you're going to be doing a bunch of megas.
Yes! Oh yeah, baby! I'm so excited.
All right, get up there, Auntie. Let's go.
Auntie.
Auntie.
What happens if I get red?
Then you respin.
Uh-oh.
Good question, though.
That is a good question.
Very good.
Green.
So
You
they're
don't
like
seem very
Christmas
confident.
colors, red and green
is my
together.
least favorite color. But
Oh, man.
You know what? I can overcome this.
Red and green goes together.
Like Christmas.
Like two sisters
Yeah,
go together.
red and
like
green are
Yeah, like
different.
peanut butter and
They're
salt.
happy,
Right.
fun,
Yeah.
celebratory
Exactly.
colors.
Like peanut
Because
butter
we're going to be
and salt.
celebrating later,
We gotta
right?
get this moving, man.
Okay,
I'm
yeah,
itching to
there's
see
a
you
lot of
win.
commotion
Get
over
up in
green.
there,
So you're going to be having zombie strike blasters. That's what you're going to be having.
You ready?
Yeah, we are ready for the massive spin.
Whoa.
Big money, no whammies. Big money, no
Okay.
whammies.
Whoa.
Look at that face.
Holy cow.
What was that?
White!
The wheel. Is there a magnet? Wait, is there? What's going on with the wheel? Is there
There
a
you
magnet
go.
stuck in there? It
He's
was
going to blend in with his
I don't
hair.
see. These are not magnets. They're just screws to hold these little pegs in. That was really strange. That was weird.
All right, so we got red, green, and orange. It's pretty fitting. Now we're gonna get this game started. Everyone's gonna pick their weapons and put down in the comments below who you think's gonna win.
Okay, Twin Toy Army. Oh my gosh. We got what? We got Lauren and Katie versus, or Scrappy, sorry, versus Ben. What do you think, Josh? Who do you think's gonna win this? It's gonna be pretty close.
Ben has the Fury, but he doesn't really have that good of a weapon selection.
I know, he has to deal with Doomsland and some interesting zombie strike weapons.
He's probably gonna pick the zombie one, but it's Lauren's first time, so we'll see what she does.
So you think like an underdog story's here? Could be. Anyway, so you're here. Oh, hi. Oh, look at this. They're here. Ready to go?
Ready.
You're all geared up and everything?
Yeah.
You got your green and your red.
Look at my hat. Check it out.
That hat is beast.
Compliments
Nintendo
of,
Switch. What's going on?
What's
Oh,
this?
dear.
What's what?
What?
We said no cardigan.
Wait a minute, Mr. Rogers,
Oh,
dude.
Mr. Rogers gear. Look at this. Check it out.
Won't you be
My neighbor.
You know, Tom Hanks wants his cardigan back. All right. So now that we have our well, I call them jerseys in a sense. They're t-shirts. They're fun
Ready
jersey
to go.
t-shirts. Yep. Now that we got them all on, we're ready to pick our blasters. Now with Scrappy's situation here, you have red. And red can be either a rival blaster or it can be a mega blaster. So which one are you going to choose?
The mega are like the huge darts.
The mega are
right?
huge ones. Orange.
Huge
So
ones
Ben
and
is
balls.
orange.
What
Okay.
do you go with?
We have either Doomsland. There's actually some Nerf Elites that went orange, and then there's also Zombie Strike Blasters. So out of those three, which one do you think?
Probably the elite.
The Elite?
Yes.
Okay, that means they either a what is that? A Demolisher or a Strife? They've made those two. So that's interesting. Okay, we're gonna go up to that, and then Lauren has no choice because all green did for a Nerf was made Zombie Strike Blasters.
Well, and I'm the underdog, so on top of that, I don't even get to pick my weapon. And
So
that's annoying.
That's annoying, but Zombie Strike does a lot of blasters. So
Okay.
you should have a good
I
selection.
think it'll be okay.
Okay, so you guys ready to go?
I'm ready.
Okay, you guys ready?
Are you ready?
Okay. Oh, I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you sure?
Let's
All right, Lauren. Oh, you're picking this spot. Yeah. This is a nice spot. You got a nice
Be
open
able to
area.
have like a good view of everything, which
Yeah.
I'm excited about. I just hope that we all have like fun and there's no like hard feelings or anything.
No, I'm
Just,
sure everyone
like,
will not have any hard
I hope
feelings.
it's like a thing where we connect with each other and not a thing that like breaks us apart.
Oh, I'm
in
sure
any
you
way.
will.
So,
I'm sure you will. You guys will all grow stronger together.
Yeah,
Except for
I hope
Scrappy.
so.
I don't know. Scrappy sounds like she's gonna search for blood or something. But she's ready to go.
She's intense.
She
But
is
You know what?
intense.
She's a strong woman.
Yeah, she is.
And she just has a fighting personality in a good way.
Right.
You know, that's how she's.
Right. But,
Yeah.
but do you think you're gonna win though?
I think I could, but that's not what matters the most. So
Got
I'm
it.
trying not to focus on that.
Got it. Okay. Well, good luck. Hey, Scrappy.
Hi, Twin Toy Army.
You ready to go?
Yeah, why are you like in my face? I feel like
Look
you're
at
up
this,
against my
man.
nose. Hello?
No,
That's my nose.
Check those bugs out.
No, I'm good to go. I'm ready for this. I'm ready to take him down. Take him down to Chinatown.
You know what Lauren told me?
What?
Lauren told me
What'd she
that
say?
you have no chance to win.
Yeah, right.
She said that you're just washed up. Oh!
No, not Lauren. Not
Yeah.
sweet little Lauren, my little sister. No way. She knows
What are you
when
gonna
I'm
do about
bigger
it?
than
What
her
are
and
you
I
gonna
can
do
take her down. She knows I'm the big sister.
Okay.
I'm gonna take her down.
Yeah, but
And Ben, I don't know what he
Benny-
thinks. I don't know what Redhead thinks he's doing down there, but
Big
he's
Red.
Yeah, Big Red. I don't know what he's got
Slim
going
Jim.
on. Yeah, who's really in red? I'm really the red. Red. I'm all matched up. I'm ready to go.
Okay, you ready?
They're going down.
Okay.
I'm ready. Let's go. Let's
Okay.
do it.
Army, you ready?
Yeah!
And Ben. Referees, are we ready? Yeet. 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 We're ready. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Where's she at? Where's she? Oh, she's over there. I see her. Twin Toy Army. She's over there.
Oh, she is over there.
Oh, she's like sniping me out. She's ready for me to go. I'm gonna take the coat back.
You're using the coat rack as a shield.
Or is this against the
This is
rules?
fine.
Are we allowed to use that?
I guess, yeah, you're allowed to.
Oh, you're really shooting me.
Oh, wait, hold on. I think she's trying to form an alliance with you.
You want to go downstairs and get fun with you?
Yes.
I think he's being a baby. He's like a dog with his
Wait,
tail between his legs.
He's scared.
He's trying to be kind of-
Okay, you guys,
he's
are
afraid.
you gonna
He
join
knows
her?
that the girls have girl
Yeah.
power.
Okay.
Right?
Okay, fair.
Hashtag girl
Oh,
power.
dear mother.
Okay,
We got the
come on.
hashtag girl power going on.
I'm not
now?
doing anything. Should we take the coat rack down in case we need cover?
I don't think you should take the coat rack downstairs.
No? Okay, let me put it over
Yeah.
here to the side. Put in the comments, hashtag girl power. Auntie and Scrappy,
Okay, we can
we're
do
gonna
this.
take down Big Red.
Well, I hope so. It's 2v1 now.
2v1.
You serious?
You wanna go first or me?
Do you think he's gonna be like upset that we ganged up
No, I
against
don't
him?
care. Who cares? We're getting them. We're taking them out. That's the goal, right?
Maybe you guys should go in back to back. Do like a circular thing.
You go in the bathroom.
Like some tactics going.
Oh, watch out. Here I go in the bathroom. Hey, he's in the closet, do you? Is he in the closet?
Okay, she got it. Oh, man. Dude, she brought in the alliance and betrayed you that fast.
That was
Jeez.
Sorry, do you forgive me, sissy?
Yes.
I almost forgot for a minute. I was like, yes, we got him, we won. And then I forgot that I had to take you down.
Got you.
That's another good name, Sissy. I like that name.
All right, so here we have the loser from last round. You have any comments or how things went for you?
Well, I mean, they created some alliance, but I mean, like, I can't really blame them. Like, 2 girls making the first move on me, you know, it's happened before, it'll probably happen again. But, yeah, so hopefully I'll be able to turn things around this game, and who knows, maybe I'll take home the dub.
All right, here we go. We got Twin Toy Army in round 2. Guys, I just want to let you know, they actually picked blasters for each other this round. First round, they had to pick their own blaster. This round, they picked for each other. So you'll see some really interesting blasters here. All right, here we go. 8, 3, 2, 1, go. The question is, though, I have no idea where they are. We have no idea where they are. Oh. Maybe I need to go upstairs to see what's going on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Look what's happening right now. I'm the clueless referee who doesn't know where anybody is. Where are they?
I feel like they both have to be down there.
I was downstairs and I don't know where they are. Now we're playing a game of hide and seek. Pick your color, turn into hide and seek. Where could they be? Well, let's get downstairs. I'm not sure. I don't know what's going on. What in the world?
And always have to do all the work.
What's gonna happen? I wonder if, Uh-oh. We found something.
We did.
We found something.
Lauren was a little dirty. She power.
Uh-oh. Lauren's found an optimal's hiding spot.
She's using the shower curtain.
She's using the shower curtain for
Clever
protection.
girl.
You're doing really well.
I think I might get out of it.
No, don't tell him that. Don't tell him that.
One down.
Oh,
No country for old men.
Yeah.
Oh no, Ben gets the first. That was a good hiding spot though. Yeah, kudos. Kudos on the hiding spot.
It was good. It was kind of lonely in the darkness, waiting.
Oh,
like,
so
10 minutes.
I shut the door.
Yeah, I
And
did
you
the
probably-
pitch black. I couldn't even find like the trigger.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh, look at this face. We're in Wow. We're in cutthroat mode. Remember what's out? You got to deal with Scrappy now. Uh-oh. Where could she be? Scrappy? Oh, Scrappy's in there! Oh, she shuts the door.
Oh
Done.
my god.
What just happened?
This stupid thing wouldn't shoot. Look, it's
That's why.
now.
That's why she picked that. What is it? Lightning bow.
You picked it.
Look at this.
You picked it.
The lightning bow.
You picked it.
I didn't pick
I think
anything.
he made me chip my
Lauren picked
nail.
it.
No, but I couldn't get this thing to like work. Look, it was
You gotta
half
go all
out.
the way back and then it shoots right out. Piece of cake.
Gosh.
I'm so sorry. Bam.
All right, we got Benny Boy right here. Victory. How does it feel?
And I feel pretty much the same. But good. But good.
Okay, Twin Toy Army, here we go. Round 3. Who thinks you're gonna win? Put the comments below. If you're on hashtag Team Lauren, hashtag Team Scrappy, sorry, hashtag Team Auntie, hashtag Team Scrappy, or hashtag Team, what's Ben's name? Big Red. Either put hashtag Big Red, or everybody put in the comments because he doesn't like this at all. Put hashtag Slim Jim, because he's calling that all the time and he doesn't like that at all. All right, you ready? Oh yeah, by the way, score is 1-1, JD, or Scrappy, and Ben both have 1.
Lauren, you want to do it again? You want to go after them together again?
What again? Wait, another alliance? Oh, that worked out so well the last time.
Oh! She said forget about the alliance. Done. There goes your
Good luck. You're on your own with Ben now.
I just feel like sometimes people walk all over you when you're nice, and I had to teach her that she can't do that to me. Again, but listen.
You better watch out because Ben might be coming soon.
I know. He's downstairs. Go get him. Go get him. You got it.
There's not been a hit. He did not yell hit, so you wanna go get him? Just stay up here. You gonna be aggressive? You gonna be aggressive? Where's Ben? I don't know. Where could he be? Is he hiding? That was close. Oh man, that was close. Oh, right over his head.
Not a hit?
Huh?
I thought I got hit.
No, did you get hit?
I thought I felt something.
Okay, be honest. You got hit, right? Okay.
Back
Being
to
honest,
back.
It's honest, Auntie. Honest. So wait, does that mean Ben wins the whole thing?
Got
Ben?
the ship.
Huh?
I'm putting boats on the water, man. Championship. All kinds of ships.
Lauren, it was a
Back-to-back
good,
ships.
heartfelt.
It was an attempt. It had
Battle.
heart. It had spirit. It
Yes.
just it didn't make
So
it
close.
this time. But next time,
But at least you like.
I will overcome the obstacles that are in my way. And this was my first time. And now I like the color green better than I did when we started.
Perfect. There you go.
I won something.
All right, let's see what's going on with scraps. Scrappy.
Yeah.
Ben wins. Ben wins.
See, I told you, Lauren. We should have stayed together.
Wow!
I would have even let her take me down,
nose
and then at
hurts,
least the girls could have had a handle on it. Are you sure he
do
really
the
got her? Because
Yes.
I still feel like there should be a replay on the last one. I feel like that's why my dart was halfway out, because he was literally like on top of me in the laundry room, and I swear that dart came out, and then he's banging me up with all those. Yeah.
Bang, bang, bang.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Well, what do you guys think of the results? Hope you enjoyed this video. Let's put it down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this, we did. So what was this? Pick color blaster battle. So if you guys enjoyed that, put in the comments below. Let us know which team you're on. If you're on hashtag Team Thick Ben or hashtag Team Scrappy or hashtag Team Auntie. Make sure you follow them also on Instagram.
You know what? Benjamin Richardson.
Okay, you'll see it
With an
right
I, not an
here.
E.
You'll see it right here, coming up right here.
Yep.
At Lauren Alissi.
All right, we'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Wasn't the video awesome? If you want to see more videos like this, click the Twin Toys icon below. There's so many more Nerf videos to see. So make sure to subscribe so you never miss another video again. Thanks for watching, and always remember, PBT all the way.